Sean ring chain. Yellow living room set. Lemonade Gucci shoes for my girl. Scoochie.
I'm back with another video, and this video is gonna be how I do a bun. It's simple, it's sweet, you know. I've been rocking this style for like 2 weeks because it's easy and it's cute. I'm gonna look, and it's cute, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. Let's get to it, okay? For starters, you're gonna need a spray bottle, edge toothbrush, edge control, this is the one I use, beeswax, or raised edge wax, it's fire. Then you're gonna need this for your edges, it's a silk little scarf. And then you need a deformed do-rag, preferably. Okay, and then a regular hair wrap, and that's all you need. I'm gonna take this hair wrap out. My hair is looking so rough. Don't judge me, y'all, please. Oh, we also need a real stretchy ponytail holder. I just took a headband and like doubled it. But first thing we are going to do is wet this, and then I'm gonna touch up the front because as you can see it's rough, and then I'm gonna get the back too. You don't want it soaking wet, just get it damp and then you should be straight. Okay, I'm not gonna do a super twist, like I'm gonna just do these front few because who has time? Clip. And I use Gorilla Snot most of the time to do retwists. So let's get it. Okay, so I'm gonna wet it one more again, like that, and then kind of just spread it all around. I want it to be a quick little. This look crazy. I'm telling you, it's gonna look cute at the end. We look crazy right now, but we're gonna get it together. We're gonna get it together. Now on to the most difficult part, which is actually doing the bun, because you can fit all your hair in a bun, but that don't really mean it's gonna look right, you know? It could be lopsided or just look stupid. But since we got the front looking a little better, we should be Gucci. Okay, so taking our headband slash ponytail holder. Oh, this is still a clip in there. And we just gonna pull it all up. I was surprised the first time I did this too. I did not know it was gonna work. It's the way being bald headed is set up. I ain't used to stuff fitting in ponytails. It's before I had locks. My hair grew like 1 centimeter a year. And then all of a sudden, shorty got inches. Okay. Is she cute? Is she cute? She cute, but she not high enough. We want to go higher. 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 Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. I'm sweating, baby. I'm sweating. Okay. We're gonna try again because it's not bad, but it ain't as cute as it could be, you know. But then I'm like, am I gonna regret it? Because it's not gonna get cuter than that. Cuter than that. It's one of them things with buns and turbans or head wraps. A little higher. That's one. Ooh, she's wrong too. I see you, sis. What? Let's check. Hold on. She cute. Okay. We're gonna redo this though because. You gotta play with it a little bit. Oh no, that ain't it. I lied, it ain't simple. This takes a long periodically time, but once you get it right, you don't take it out for like ever. So it's worth it, you know? You get one good bun and you're done. Period. So let's do it. Please be good. Please be good. Ooh. No, you ugly. You ugly. I went back in and retwisted a few because usually I let it sit. But I don't know where my burn is at today. I just wanted to jump to it. I think that's making it look a lot worse than it could. It's not gonna be cute. I can feel it. Yeah, I know it. I know it. On to the fun part. It's time to do the edges. Whew. Yeah. A zoom out, a zoom out, a zoom out. Ooh, it's looking rough. We looking rough, but guess what? That's what the land and slaying is for. Wait. It's gonna be cute. Yeah. Moment of truth. And then we're gonna take this. Okay.